of our beloved 1996-99 batch at Fatima College. It is a joy to see so many familiar faces, and I hope you all are enjoying the welcoming drink as we gather for this special day. So as we begin the formal part of the event, ladies, let me start by sharing a quote that perfectly captures the essence of today. The best thing about memories is making them. Today, we are here to relive and cherish the memories we made 25 years ago. And we start our event on an auspicious note by the lighting of Kuttu Vilakku. I invite our sisters to initiate and formally inaugurate the event. And let's remember, these kindly light, this light that symbolizes the knowledge and wisdom that have guided us all through these years. And following her, we have Sister Sahai Mary ma'am, who will be lighting. She's leading the Fatima team now. She's the principal. And I also request Raga ma'am from SCAA, the Fatima College Alumni Association, to light the lamp. Dr. Sister G. Celine Sahai Mary is our principal, and I also want to fondly remember our sister Francisca Flora, who was our principal. We had invited her, you might have seen the pictures, but she has been like from our team, leading us through all the arrangements. And may I also request Sudha, also from the organizing committee, to light the lamp. We have more people who can honor this occasion, but we have only so many wicks in the lamp. But grateful to also Vidya, who has come all the way from US, and Jean. Now we'll invoke blessings with a beautiful prayer song. May I request Romaine from our batch to lead us in this solemn and heartful moment. Do we need to stand up for the prayer? Thank you.
We start our celebrations with our college prayer today. God, our Father, source of all goodness, we believe that you are present in the whole creation. We humbly ask of you to watch over this college and its inmates. Bless our parents, our teachers, our friends and well-wishers. Help us to grow as responsible women, caring for every kind of neighbor, especially our less fortunate brothers and sisters. May every prayer and work of ours begin with you and happily end with you. Our Lady of Fatima, pray for us. Amen.
Everyone, with great honor and pleasure, I welcome you all to this auspicious occasion, the Silver Jubilee celebration of our cherished 1996-99 batch. Today, we gather to commemorate 25th years of remarkable memories, achievements, and enduring friendships. This day is very important. It provides an opportunity for everyone to meet each other after so many years. To our esteemed dignitaries, Secretary Dr. Sister Ignatius Mary, and our Principal Dr. Sister Celine Sahai Mary, thank you for gracing us with your presence. Your guidance and dedication have been pivotal in shaping our journey. Welcome, sisters. To our beloved professors, faculty members, and alumni, thank you for joining us today. Your contribution, wisdom, and support have been the cornerstone of our success. Welcome you all. A special mention and heartfelt thanks to the FCAA team, Dr. M. Ragam ma'am, Dr. S. Parvati ma'am, Dr. B. Vinisha ma'am, Miss Selvarani ma'am, Sister Stella Arulmary ma'am, Dr. Loyola Juliet Mary ma'am, Dr. Asha. Your tireless efforts and dedication have been instrumental in organizing this grand celebration. We are deeply grateful for your commitment and hard work. As we assemble here in the Jubilee Hall, let us reflect on the bonds we have forged, the challenges we have overcome, and the milestones we have achieved. This celebration is not only a testament to our past, but also a beacon guiding us to a future filled with promises and potential. We are privileged to commence this event with the lighting of the Kuthuvelakku, symbolizing the light of knowledge. We have a day filled with exciting sessions, starting with memory sharing from our fellow alumni, felicitation of our beloved honored guest, cultural performance, and much more. Each session has been thoughtfully curated to celebrate our journey. To our organizing committee, thank you for your tireless effort in making this event possible. Your dedication ensures that this celebration will be traced in our hearts. Welcome. May this Silver Jubilee celebration be a day of joy, laughter, and cherished memories. Once again, welcome to this Silver Jubilee celebration of 1996 to 99 batch. Let the festivities begin.
We understand all of you are really excited to be here today, but as we start our celebrations, could we please request that you maintain a respectful silence in this hall? Thank you.
Contain பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Afternoon is all ours. So this is a very solemn part of our event, and we need to make sure that we observe the discipline that is called for. Now I'd like to honor the dignitaries because we are deeply honored that they are present with us today. We have some very special dignitaries with us. Let's take a moment to honor them for their immense contributions. May I request Dr. Sister Ignatius Mary, our secretary. We are truly blessed to have her with us. I invite her to share her inspiring blessings and words of wisdom. Thank you.
Our General Assembly, I used to give you 2 minutes to settle down. And finally, I'll tell you, please settle down fast. On behalf of the visionary principal, the vibrant vice principals, IQAC members, the committed members of the faculty, and the dedicated non-teaching staff, I extend a warm welcome to my little darlings of my classes and Fatima campus, who have come now and they have become great individuals. Good morning to everyone. With great honor and pleasure, I welcome you all to this special occasion of our college and you as the alumni. This day is very important. It provides an opportunity for everyone present here to meet each other after 25 years and relive your memories of the past here in Maryland campus. It is a very emotional event and sparks nostalgia in everyone. I consider it as a great blessing of my Father, Mother God, who gave me the chance to be with you and join in your happiness as you come back to your alma mater and go back in memory lane when you and I were 25 years younger than now. Sometimes you long for your college days just to sit one more time in your favorite places in the classrooms. Before I could come here, I used to pray to God to grant me just one chance of participating in the candlelight ceremony. At times, I had dreamt seeing, as though like an aerial view, the students walking in front of the Jubilee Hall. I am very grateful to God because those dreams are now become a reality. This special celebration is yet another boon from the Almighty to keep alive your sweet memories and share your sacred stories with us all, how you have grown up to be such great individuals. The campus has gained a new glow under the able leadership of our principal, Dr. Sister Celine Sahayamary. He also noticed various changes through which the college has gone through over the past 25 years. Our college has strengthened the tradition of staying in contact with the former students and organized the alumni meet. There are many vibrant alumni among the staff of Fatima College who keep alive the relationship with the student of yesteryears. It has been 71 years since our college started. On account of the dedication shown by our teachers down the ages and the visionary principals who tirelessly worked for excellence and setting up a benchmark to achieve greatness, the college has achieved many laurels because of you. Each one of you has left a legacy for the future generation of the Fatimites. I thank God Almighty for the multiple roles played by you all. Among you, here are bank persons, advocates, artists, IT personnel, HR managers, scientists, media personnel, professors, teachers, great entrepreneurs, and other great individuals. I congratulate you and appreciate all your efforts that have done by you for the development of our country and making a better world by becoming responsible citizens now in the societies. On behalf of the Fatima family, I thank you for cooperating with your alma mater to ignite the light within you to become torch bearers of the rich tradition of this great institution. I thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to attend this event. But I can assure you one thing, that at the end of the day, you will go home with memories that would cherish forever. May the good God bless you and keep you. The Almighty make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. May the Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you happiness, peace, good health, long life, success and prosperity to you and to all whom you love and care. Thank you.
Thank you, sister. Now, may I request our beloved principal, Dr. Sister G. Celine Sahayamary, to share her heartfelt felicitation. Girls, please join me in welcoming her to the stage with a big round of applause.
அனைவருக்கும் அன்பான வணக்கம். பாத்திமா கல்லூரிக்கு இன்று ஒரு பொன்னான நாள், திருநாள். வீட்டில் ஏதாவது ஒரு நாள் நம்மளுடைய தாத்தா, பாட்டி, அத்தை, மாமா, சித்தி, சித்தப்பா, அக்கா, அண்ணி எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து ஒரு விசேஷத்துக்கு வர்றப்ப எவ்வளோ சந்தோஷமாக கொண்டாடுவோமோ, அது மாதிரி இன்றைக்கி ஒரு மிக மிக சந்தோஷமான நாள். எல்லாரையும் பார்ப்பதற்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. இந்த மீட்டிங்கை ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணுறது வந்து 96-99 பேட்ச் யூஜி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். At that time, I also studied in Fatima College, not UG but PG, 96 to 98. So some of them were asking that you have left us PG students, but as UG students, we all of us are here, and still more, we are very happy. Those days, the dedicated faculty members who molded you, who formed you, who journeyed with you are here, they could make it. So let us all give them a very big clap and our appreciation. And I also want to give all of us the great appreciation for organizing this great event. This is another step, the progress we see in our alumni. We have every year alumni meeting, and this kind of coming together of same batch, maybe one major, they used to come, but now 96 to 99, to the extent possible, all those who have studied here in this alma mater, we have gathered here. Really, it is a great event for the college and for all of you also. This is the Lord's doing. It is marvelous in our eyes. We read from Psalm 118, verse 23 from the Bible. Yes, this is the Lord's doing, and it is too marvelous in our eyes to see you all gathered here at your beloved alma mater, driving through valleys and hills, flying across seas, oceans, and continents just for this awesome day. It is a day of joy to the Fatima family, as all of you put your hearts and soul together to celebrate this day's moments as memorable ones. Fatima College has reached significant milestone on its march towards women empowerment through holistic education. It has been steadily progressing with the blessings of the Almighty Lord in its journey towards excellence, mindful of the requirements of its immediate community and the world at large. With a grateful heart, we remember Reverend Mother Rose, the founder of our college, a great visionary whose sole aim was empowerment of women through education. The highest education is that which does not merely give us information, but makes our life in harmony with all existence, says Rabindranath Tagore. For quite some time, we have been facing great challenges posed by deep-seated divides that threaten the peace of the world. Once again, may I request all of you to keep silence and to respect the event that is going on here. The conflict prevails in all realms of life: political, communal, regional, national, social, and cultural. There is a dire need to identify, emulate, and celebrate the harbingers of harmony who have restored and will do so in future the peace and joy of the world. In this context, the role of the educational institutions and the young students we produce gain a lot of significance. The youthful energy of the students has to be channelized in order to bring about positive changes to encounter what seem to be insurmountable challenges. Fatima College has been consciously making efforts to produce such catalysts for the change. We are grateful to the continuous support we enjoy from the management, the Sisters of St. Joseph of Lyon, the dedicated army of the teaching and the non-teaching staff of the college, inculcating such values in students that ensure the prevalence of harmony by producing an all-inclusive society and eradicating all negative that divides the world has been a main objective of the college. Life is not only about getting to the destination, it is also about the journey. The journey is the important part. What you take time for, what you learn, and what experience along the way. The management of Fatima College has all through taken enough care in molding each one of you into torch bearers of the virtues inculcated here in this alma mater. So, as Fatima's ambassadors, keep the flag of Fatima flying high wherever you are. Continue to radiate cheer, positivity, and integrity. And when you walk along the paths of righteousness, remember our motto, lead kindly light. As I wrap up, I am reminded of the Bible verse. Go home to your friends and tell them how much the Lord has done for you and how he has mercy on you. We read it in the Mark's Gospel, chapter 5, verse 19. Yes, dear Fatimites, go home and transmit all that you have internalized here. In a very special way, I want to appreciate and congratulate on behalf of the Fatima family, the staff and students, for taking efforts, all of you, to travel a long distance, some of you flying and some of you traveling for long hours. It shows that your love for your alma mater. Let us continue to keep up that spirit. God bless you. All the best.
Well, I'm just kidding. Well, thank you so very much. I have started my day with affirmations of such wonderful words of wisdom you have both shared. And can't thank you enough. Sister Ignatius Mary talked about dreams manifesting. Guys, let's dream big. Today was just a dream a few months back, and today it's happening, right? The power of dreams. So yes, and also like our sister principal just said, we need all the affirmations, we need the words of wisdom from the Bible that she shared to guide us through our journey. And as a family, we are all here together. So I think enough of welcoming each other, but we do want to show our love and respect to both our leaders. And may I request Dr. Selvamina to please honor our dear sister Ignatius Mary. And may I request Sudha also to please join us on stage. We would like to also share a token of love with our dear sister principal. Please join us on the stage. Let's hear it for them, girls. I'm going to call you all only girls today. And if the sound of the applause goes down, you will become ladies. Make your choice. We have just respect. I mean, this is just a gesture. We can't really repay what you have given us, all of you on the stage. But yes, some gesture is better than nothing. Okay. Right. The phone
Let us come before him with thanksgiving and extol him with music and song. For the Lord is the great God, the great King above all gods. Psalm 95, 2 and 3. All glory and praise to the Lord Almighty. Pleasant morning to one and all. Have you all here for the Silver Jubilee celebration of 96 to 99 batch. Cordial welcome to beloved Sister Secretary and esteemed welcome to Sister Principal and hearty welcome to Sister Vice Principal and Controller of Examinations and special welcome to all other sisters from management. Grateful welcome to retired faculty members and respected faculty members and cheerful welcome to all other alumni who have gathered here. With the glorious blessings of our foundress, Mother Rose Benedict, and with the unrelenting support of dedicated sisters and committed professors, Fatima College has completed 71 years of journey in serving to the betterment of society. Fatima College alumni, an intangible asset of Maryland, remain a scaffolding support to enable the institution to progress in all endeavors. Fatima College Alumni Association, a registered body comprising more than 13,000 registered alumni with 9 chapters both in national and international arena, strives to fortify the network between the alumni and the alma mater through the extensive activities that gear up towards the holistic progress and achievements. We acknowledge the office bearers of FCAA under the headship of Dr. S.T. Kalamam to ignite the lamp of Alumni Association that created the milestones in the history of Fatima. Now the new team of FCAA team took charge from 2021 onwards under the chairmanship of Dr. Sister Principal. Fatima College Alumni Association meet aims to foster a sense of community among alumni to establish and to renew the friendships. Fatima College Alumni Association supports present students in all dimensions to pursue their academic dreams by monetary assistance, research support, and by organizing placement drives and to encouraging alumni to kickstart their career through business startups. FCAA aims to attend the needs of the students who requires support to continue their education. Alumni staff contribute to the payment of fees every semester to the financially poor and needy students. By the relentless contributions of alumni in the form of scholarships, ignites the life of a student to pursue her dream of learning in Fatima. One such fellowship is Dr. Amirthavalli Raghupati Memorial Fellowship, created by Mr. Raghupati in the memory of her late wife, Dr. Amirthavalli, who is alumni of our chemistry major. And he has also instituted Excellence Award to the meritorious students of chemistry major. And under the unique program called Academic Adaption, alumni adapts the student from any major academically and supports her till she completes her graduation or post-graduation. Under this scheme, an alumni from Home Science, Miss Shiva Shakalingam, adapted a student from Home Science major and she supports her even today till the student completes her graduation. FCAA also supports the research activities inside the campus under the name called POWER, promoting opportunities for women in research scheme, funded by Fatima College Alumni Association, aims to encourage the emerging and eminent women researchers for competitive mode of funding to undertake research and development activities in the frontier areas of humanities, sciences, social sciences, and the interdisciplinary research. So, alumni encourages sports students by offering nutritious soup for the players and the athletes of various games. FCAA organizes campus recruitment drive with the support of distinguished alumni to explore various career avenues. This program aimed to provide career opportunities to the present students and to uplift their professional growth. Expertise sharing by alumni is utilized to organize the programs on student welfare activities which aimed to enhance the skills of the present students. Interested alumni support us in preparing audio course content for visually challenged students. So now we gratefully thank Ms. Suganya Sambat Kumar, an alumni of Commerce, who helps visually challenged students by creating the audio lessons. FCAA organizes various skill enhancement programs and capacity building programs to support the present students who with an envision of building adequate and relevant capacities to develop the holistic needs of the students towards their betterment. To enhance the research thirst among the students, a session on thrust areas and research avenues of research at abroad will be organized periodically. In collaboration with Fatima Incubation Entrepreneurial Skill Training and Animations, hands-on training on paper recycling is organized to foster the innovation that stimulates the present students to evolve as an entrepreneur. The major accomplishments of FCAA towards Green Campus includes waste paper recycling unit, 27 solar powered lights, oil extraction units, RO water coolers, rainwater harvesting units, and so on. Alumni remain connected to the alma mater by keeping them informed about the major events of the college through various chapters created at both national level and international level. FCAA supports alumni by encouraging them through startup programs through which they can kickstart their career and evolve as entrepreneurs. FCAA also supports dear alumni during their medical emergency, and the disaster management programs, accidental programs, and special programs will be organized for differently abled persons. FCAA congratulates the achievements of illustrious alumni from various fields. And so FCAA also conducts annual alumni meet during second week of July every year, and a newsletter carrying the updates of alumni, including the articles and the experiences and the expertise shared by alumni at various levels, will be released every year. And a separate space is provided for alumni to share their experiences and the expertise in various ways. Together, let us come forward profusely to lead the upcoming Fatimates. Bayan Thukar செய்த உதவி நயன் தூக்கின் நன்மை கடலினும் பெரிது. The help given without weighing the return, when weighed, outweighs the sea. We, the alumni of Maryland, are indebted to our institution. So let us reunite and rejoice to achieve more and more. FCAA thanks each one of you to spare your precious time in your alma mater. We'll be happy to receive your updates, achievements, accomplishments, and you can reach us, mail us, stay connected with us. Thank you.
Thank to Ragam for giving us an insight about FCAA. Meanwhile, our beloved teachers are right behind us. So, under the respective departments, can you all bring forward all the teachers and make them be seated in front, please? Can you all? Please call upon the teachers, bring them in the front. Can you? I know the teachers are hesitant because they want to be at the backstage of all our growth. But then Dr. Loyola Juliet Mary and Dr. Asha. காலேஜுக்கும் சரி நம்ம சொசைட்டிக்கும் சரி. ஏன்னா நம்ம காலேஜ் தான் நம்மளை க்ரூம் பண்ணி கொண்டு வந்தது. நம்ம இந்த நிலைமைக்கு இருக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா நம்ம காலேஜ், நம்ம டீச்சர்ஸ் அண்ட் நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம பேரண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாருமே நம்மளுக்கு உறுதுணையாக இருந்து நம்மளை இந்த லெவலுக்கு கொண்டு வந்திருக்காங்க. ஸோ நம்ம காலேஜுக்கு இட் இஸ் திஸ் டைம் ஃபார் அஸ் டு கிவ் பேக் டு த காலேஜ். ஸோ ஆஸ் ஆஃப் நவ் we are gifting them AC for them to the college. So that will be installed in the sitting area out there. Can we call Sister Principal to please accept a token of her love, please?
it wasn't a letdown. Now our professors, our guiding lights, I think it's time to honor them for their unwavering dedication, not only at the times we were as their students, but today also. We may just look different, but we are your same old kids, and we'd love to have you with us. As much as we would have wanted all our professors to be present, we're missing many of them, but we do understand it's a lot of trouble. So for the trouble taken by you for us today, we'd like to do a small felicitation. Can I request all the professors seated here to please join us on the stage, please?
இந்த இன்பம் போதும் நெஞ்சினிலே ஏழு ஏழு ஜென்மம் வாழ்ந்து விட்டேன் கோவில் தோன்றும் வாசம் அதுதான் ராகமோ இளம் பூவை நெஞ்சில் தோன்றும் அதுதான் தாளமோ மனதின் ஆசைகள் மலரின் கோலங்கள் குயிலோசையின் பரிமாஷைகள் அதிகாலையின் வரவேற்புகள் தீத்திலா காதலா உடலா கூடலா அவள் மீட்டும் பண்ணிலா வானிலா நிலா அல்ல உன் வாலிபம் நிலா வானிலா நிலா அல்ல உன் வாலிபம் நிலா.
Happy birthday to you. வாழ்த்த வயதில்லை வணங்குகிறோம். Thank you, sister. And let's also hear it for the beautiful rendition. A huge round of applause for Harini's lovely melodious songs. Thanks for entertaining us. The culturals will continue. Lunch is being served. So please help yourselves to lunch as we continue with the culturals for the day. Next we have a Thanksgiving dance, a vote of thanks. And meanwhile, lunch is being served. Those who are very particular about a time, you can start helping yourself as you enjoy the show ahead.
ரூட் பஞ்சர் இல்லடா
யாராவெல்ல லாங்காவுதே ராபெரிக்கு ராவே ராவே ரா நீ பார்த்தாலே தீயாவுதே தீ பிடிக்க ராவையாவே மச்சத்தம் முறைச்ச அச்சத்த குறைச்ச இச்சத்தம் மறைச்ச மிச்சம் இல்லம்மா மச்சமே நுவையா அச்சமே லேதையா இச்சமே நேனையா மிச்சம் ஏமையா வா நூ காவாலையா நூ காவாலி ரா 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 வா நூ காவாலையா நூ காவாலி ரா 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 ரா
Who wants to join? You're welcome.
திக்க வைக்கும் போதையா எப்பா எப்பாப்பா கண்ணுக்குள்ள நீ செதி சொல்லன்பா சிக்க வைக்கும் ஆசையா வந்தாயப்பா
Come forward to the stage. We don't want to miss your dance. Aajao.
கொஞ்சம் தயங்காதப்பா கொஞ்சம் அடங்க வேணாம்பா ரொம்ப மயங்காதப்பா தப்பாப்பா தப்பாப்பா கொஞ்சம் பாட்டு கவாலா கொஞ்சம் டான்ஸ் கவாலா ரெண்டும் உனக்காகவே கவாலா கவாலா வா நூ காவாலையா நூ காவாலி ரா 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 வா நூ காவாலையா நூ காவாலி ரா 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 ரா
பாபு உங்களுக்கு மூமெண்ட் இல்ல ஒன்லி ஸ்டாண்டிங்
for their kind gesture of welcoming back to this esteemed institution and giving us the space and opportunity to celebrate our 25th year of college in the campus itself. Your presence your words